Today I'll be doing a complete recap of Algebra 1. I'll first start with slopes. Now, the equation for finding a slope, not for writing the whole equation out, is delta y over delta x. This is the complete equation for it. This is a complete one. But here is, in a sense, if you want to write out it, y equals mx plus b. M here being the slope that you were just able to calculate. Slope. The b, the x you just leave alone unless you want to give a number to calculate the slope, assuming there's not calculus here, which I'll just cover. I do have a calculus slide here. That this line is completely straight, extremely straight, but I couldn't do that. This here, the B, is your typical slope. This here, well, it's not the slope I meant. It is the constant. Typical constant that you would find. Now, the way you could evaluate this is by looking at what it is equal at 0. Because this is a good hint. Say for right now it's 1. Now, let me work through a problem to illustrate this. Now, here, what you do, subtract the 1 from y, not x. So make everything one lower. Practically the same value, you don't even have to do it. X is, we'll be putting it under 2 templates. Let me dash this line. Maybe I should make a solid line, but whatever. Okay. This here is 3. And this here is 6, and in a sudden jump it becomes 4 and 9. Now, if you normally do it, I think you could just normally do it. 9 minus 6, which is 3 on the top. The bottom is 6 minus 3, which is 3. And this is 3 on the top here, and this is 3. Oh, never mind. I meant this is 1. So this goes at 3 per next one. I think this should be at 3. Oh, should have not done this. I'll do it over here. The slope is 3, so it's pretty much 3x plus 1 equals to is y. So y minus 1 is 3x. If you want to be curious, 3x. So if you plug in 2 to this equation as x, 6 is y minus 1. So y equals 7 if you just add the 1 back. Next I'll be plotting up. Let me just... By the way, the tool I use takes up a lot of space. I'm gonna type there. Bye bye. Now I'll be going over the quadratic equation as a full and complete review. That's what I'll be doing. The quadratic equation is ax squared, or this is like the parabolas equation, plus b x plus c. In this series I forgot to include the equals 0. So what you can do to solve this, I'll bring in forms of the square root to figure out. Here what I'll be doing is I'll be subtracting c from both sides. So you get ax squared plus bx equals to negative c. Then I'll probably subtract the bx. Now I'll subtract the bx first. So it'll be negative bx plus c. I meant minus c. Now what I'll do is take the square root. It just goes into a big process in finding. That's why there's a formula, but I can't show you the formula today. But with this is just sufficient enough. As of Algebra 1. Next I'll be going over, there's not that many topics to review, it's extremely hard. Maybe this might lighten your day. I think there isn't there topics. I'll make it so it just copies off the text. Never mind, I can't do this. Well, I guess that's it. So we're done. Shoot.